Hello folks, Easy Rider here. Welcome to my next video. Today I want to tell you how to install a luggage rack to a 2017 Freewheeler. Should be about the same for most Freewheelers. If you're interested, stay with me. And welcome back. It's not going to be a step-by-step video. I'm just going to kind of run through it. It's pretty simple. And I'll just kind of run through the steps. It comes with instructions. Follow the instructions mostly. I'll tell you where not to. And it'll be pretty simple. So let's go. And this is the finished product. Let me just show it to you before we go through the steps. Of course, you want the Harley Davidson emblem to be to the back. Now, of course, Harley had to make this a little bit difficult. This point right here, this leg right here, is a different size bolt than all the other three. Don't ask me why they did it that way, just to make life interesting, I guess. So let me go through the steps to put this thing on. Luckily, Harley made it easy, at least this is easy. They put like these little dimples right here. There's 4 of them, and in the middle of them is a little hole. You drill a 1/16 pilot hole through all 4 of those. And then on the other side, when you're done with that, you mask it off with tape, and that keeps it from chipping. Now, let me mention it's April 8th or something like that. It's 30 degrees or so in my garage. Maybe I should have waited for a warmer day. Even with the masking tape, it did chip a little bit on me on this bigger hole, but I'll just hit it with some touch-up. I should have probably put a heat gun to it or something like that. Oh, no big deal. So anyway, the first thing you do, like I said, is that 1/16 drill, and then these 3, this one and this one, you use a, let me get this right so I don't mess you people up. Use a 9/32 or 7mm a drill bit, and then you drill, where you had your pilot holes. This one down here, this one is the one that coincides with the bottom piece over here, bottom left. They told me to use a 3/8 drill bit, but that was way too big, so I used a 21/64. Worked great. Just seemed like if I didn't see a reason to make a big giant hole down there. And anyway, that's what I used. And then these are 7/16 hex bolts. That's a 1/2 inch. Before you put the bolts in it, you need to get some like clear silicone and just dab it all around on the bolt and on the inside of the nuts. There's the plastic washer, and then there's a metal washer, and then the bolt, and some clear, if you got it, clear silicone gel. And tighten it up. They give you the torque specs, but pretty much good hand tight, and then a little bit more. Don't overdo it. Don't gorilla arm it. So there you go. I mean, like I said, it's pretty simple. Just taking my time. Took me about an hour. Simple enough for pretty much anybody with average skills. Make sure when you drill in the holes, you're drilling them straight. I did have to, you don't have to, but I had to take this this piece, whatever the heck they call this thing, off. It's just a couple torque screws to get at this thing where, my drill wasn't hitting the little doohickey there. So that just came off really simple. You just unscrew it, put it to the side, and then screw it back when you're done. It's going to make a mess. Cleaned up most of it. There'll be a lot of like drill crap all over the place. Other than that, simple job, 1 hour. Like I said, anybody with knowledge and decent drill bits, don't use junk ones, decent drill bits, and a little bit of time can figure it out. If you got any questions, leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care.